and the fines are massive for some of this. Some of it includes jail time, which is ridiculous. Now, I don't know how they're going to enforce that, but it's on there.
We were able to have you on, I think it was right after New Year's, if I remember correctly.
Yeah.
It was early January for sure. And we were talking for business owners about the new rules, the Corporate Transparency Act. And from what I understand, your appearance created a little buzz. Your phone was ringing off the hook, right?
Yeah, a lot of questions about it.
So can you remind everybody out there that is a business owner of any size, even if you just have a little side hustle and you've got maybe a little LLC, you're collecting some kind of income under, what the Corporate Transparency Act is, and if you're going to create a company, what you have to do.
Yeah, and the idea behind it is great. You know, they're trying to cut down financial crimes, but again, they're over-regulating, right? And so they're kind of pushing on
That's
the small
weird.
guy here. Yeah, exactly. So the idea is good, but they're over-regulating. So what it is if you have an entity and you're not exempt, and actually the big entities are the ones who are exempt, not the small ones necessarily.
That's convenient. Big, gigantic corporations get exempt, and they want to come after their competition, small companies that could grow and maybe take market share. How strange, right?
Exactly. Great American free enterprise, right?
Yeah, that wouldn't have anything to do with lobbying, right? Dollars going in certain directions, would it?
Exactly. No, not at all. Yeah, no. And what it basically says is you need to report, and they want to know who the owners of these companies are. They call it beneficial owner information. So what you're going to have to do is if you created a company this year, you have 90 days to go on FinCEN's website. And if you need information about that, call my office. My information will be at the end here. Or, that number, 402-369-7777.
Yep.
Still your number there? So to get over to my information. And so what you need to do is you need to file within 90 days of you forming that and basically upload your information and your driver's license or ID onto their website. Now, it's not public, but they want to know who the owner of these companies are.
But it's pretty much public anyway. You just go to Secretary of State's website of any state a company's incorporated in, LLC or otherwise, and the information is pretty readily available, right? So this is, anyway, you would think with AI technology today, they could just have a bot scour all 50 Secretary of State's websites from the United States and have this information anyway. But again, overreach, overregulation. And now they got to spend time paying an attorney. Like, we don't pay you enough.
Yeah, gotta get it.
But
That's why we lobby well.
Yeah, yeah. So anyway, all right. So again, if you're an entrepreneur of any kind and you're not sure of these rules, what to do, whether your company was formed this year or in the past, and just if it was formed prior to the start of this year, you've got a whole calendar year to get it done.
Exactly.
But next year it's only 30 days, right?
Yeah, it starts next year. Yeah, this year it's 90. They give you a little bit of wiggle room, but you still got to file it, and the fines are massive for some of this. Some of it includes jail time, which is ridiculous. Now, I don't know how they're going to enforce that, but it's on there.